Hi, in this video, I will show you how to log into your WordPress website admin dashboard from Cpanel. So if you forgot your WordPress website admin dashboard login passwords or username, don't worry. If you follow these easy steps, then you will be able to log into your admin dashboard without password. To do that, first of all, you have to go to your website Cpanel or hosting Cpanel. Once you are in your Cpanel dashboard, here you will find the Softcolas apps installer, or you can use this search toolbox to find out the Softcolas. Just click on that, and here just click on installations, and under installation you will find all of your installed WordPress websites. Now for example, I want to go to this WordPress website admin dashboard without password. I'm just clicking on this little login as admin icon, and after clicking on the icon, you will directly jump into your WordPress website admin dashboard from Cpanel. Now you can easily customize your WordPress website here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.